Break the ice. Break the ice means to say or do something that helps people feel more comfortable in a new or awkward situation. Here are example sentences. At the start of the meeting, the manager told a funny joke to break the ice. She asked a simple question to break the ice and start the conversation. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. The teacher organized a game to help students feel more comfortable on the first day of class. The teacher organized a game to break the ice on the first day of class. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.